The fastest way to grow your channel in 2025 is actually way easier than what you think it is. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You don't need to think outside the box too hard. Just work with what already works. It's actually way easier than you think it is. So I had 0 subscribers. I got 50,000 subscribers in just about 1 year. And every big creator does this or has done this at one point. Just plagiarize, just steal. So once you've picked your niche, which is the most important thing, you don't want to know what topic you make videos on, right? Do you make videos on Clash Royale? Do you make videos on Christianity? Do you make it on Islam? Once you've picked it, you can make and generate ideas based on things that have already been done. You don't even need to think too hard. So people have already shown you what's successful. All you have to do is copy it and make your own twist on it. So for example, you have Redeem Zuma here. He's a Christian YouTuber. He's made videos in the past. If you have a look here, every sin explained in 10 minutes. What he does is he gets icons, pride, idolatry, blasphemy. He has icons for every single thing, and he has maybe dozens, maybe even hundreds of videos like this. He has another one here, all Christian denominations explained in 12 minutes. It just is a very appealing to the eyes. So he has icons for everything, every single denomination. Now, you can just copy the same thing. He did every sin explained in 10 minutes. Now, Islam has 7 sins. That's on my Islamic channel. I did every the 7 major sins explained in 7 minutes because it's for the Islamic ones, not the Christian ones. And I just copied it. I just made icons for each of the sins. Boom, done. What I'm doing is I'm not thinking too hard. His video already has 1 million views and the other one also has 1.3 million views. What does this mean? It means that it's already been tested and proven. It means that the click-through rate is there. People like the idea. It's already there. So I don't have to think of the idea. I'm literally just stealing the idea he has, and I don't have to think of the thumbnail and title. I'm just stealing his title and thumbnail. It takes me 0 effort, and I guarantee you can already see 1.5k views in 13 hours. Guarantee you that's going to at least get 10k views, maybe 20k views or more. I don't need to think too hard. It might even go on to get more, maybe 50k views, who knows. The point is, I know what already works. I'm just stealing it. So you can just keep stealing proven formulas. And especially when you're starting out, you want to just keep copying videos. Eventually, you'll get better at creating your own video ideas. As long as you're putting your own twist on it, you can get away with copying videos. Just steal. This is how you're going to grow your channel faster than anyone will ever tell you. If you're struggling with viral video ideas or thumbnails, this is what I help with. I can help creators with my coaching. Link is in the description. You can join a free consultation or you can join the program. I will also help you so that eventually, even if you're busy working full-time like I was, and I did this on the side while working full-time, if you don't really want to edit, you're a little bit lazy, it's hard. As long as you can put some work in, you don't have to know how to do fancy editing. You don't have to put 10 hours a week in. As long as you can put in some time to make videos, I can help you. And then hopefully in the long run, without me, you're going to be able to make videos as well and come up with viral ideas yourself, not just copying non-stop. Now, another guy made this video called Proving Islam in 10 Minutes. Have a look here. Actually, his one was titled 5:10 minutes. I don't know why he did that. He could have just wrote 5 minutes. That got 68,000 views. I remember looking at that saying, wow, if that got 68,000 views, I can make the video better. Already, if I do Proving Islam in 10 minutes, it's going to be better. Why would someone click on 5-10? And I can make the thumbnail better. His one isn't even cropped properly, and the text is way worse. So really, I didn't think of too much myself. I just did what already worked. I made the video a little bit better, but the thumbnail and title I made better. And I knew if his one got 68,000, mine has to get even better because mine's going to be better than his. Look what happened. My version got 622,000. It's on track to hit 1 million. So that's not luck. That's me using what already works and taking it a step further, right? Let's go to the next one. Now, I had a different channel, so you know that this works cross channels, right? For everyone. I used to have a Super Smash Brothers channel, not just the Islamic one. Now, I follow this guy called TJ Loves Fights. And again, it's a cross niche. You can be Clash Royale and you copy someone in the football niche. You can be Super Smash Brothers Gaming and you can copy someone in the fighting niche. This guy does boxing videos. He's video 397k. I don't even know who this boxer is. Apparently it's some boxer who's undefeated. Now, it's just his face and it says he's too good. And it's the boxer's name, The Problem, the Nayowa Problem. Now it's inciting curiosity. You want to find out what is the problem. Why is he too good? So in Super Smash Brothers, we also had a champion called MK Leo. I stopped watching now, so I don't even know. But at the time, he was undefeated. No one could beat him. He was untouchable. So I just thought, let me carry over the exact same idea. I did the MK Leo problem. That was the Super Smash Brothers, and you can have a look. He's too good. It's the exact same thing, and it got 6.3k views on essentially a channel with like 0 subscribers. So it's the same format. It's a new context. Obviously, you twist it and you put it in your own way. You can come up with your script, but it's all title thumbnails. It's all title thumbnails. This is what I want to teach you. If you want help finding proven video video ideas, viral titles, or thumbnails, I can help. You can book a call with me. I'll help you build a real growth plan. Even if you hate editing or you don't understand retention or anything like that, it's okay. I can help you. My final advice, stop reinventing the wheel. Copy the people who've already figured it out, then make it your own. That's the fastest way to grow your channel in 2025. It actually works. People may not tell you this, but steal, plagiarize, even steal from me, my channel. And eventually you're going to get better. It's like this, the stealing is the training wheels. Eventually you can make your own ideas without having to steal. But honestly, even now I steal. There's nothing wrong with that. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you guys.